Hi, I'm Amy. I'm the clinical specialist with Saebo, and in this video I'm going to take you through some sample exercise ideas with our SaeboMAS Mini. So the Mini is a de-weighting device for weakness throughout the arm, and particularly in the shoulder and elbow. This will take the weight away and the effect of gravity to enable you to do more practice, be more independent and build up those all-important repetitions. So if at the moment you're reliant on a therapist coming in to assist, or a carer or a friend, or that you have to use your other arm to help you move your affected arm, this is a great alternative. If you already have one of these or you purchase one of these, you will hopefully access our online training video that will take you through step by step how to set it up. So in this video, I'm just going to focus on exercises. So I've already got it clamped to my table. You can clamp it to a work surface, kitchen top, office table. And I'm going to put my left arm in for this video. So I'm going to make sure that there's no tension on the system. So I've turned the tension handle right down. I'm going to loosen the anti-swivel stop so that it will now swing around freely. And I'm going to put my left arm into the forearm support and make sure that's about 2/3 of the way up towards the elbow, and really do the Velcro strap nice and securely. I'm then going to turn the tension handle so that I provide the appropriate amount of assistance for me to really lift that arm up and take away the effects of gravity. So now my arm is much freer and lighter to move. So just to start, we're going to focus on the shoulder for this one. So at the moment I have actually got this black dial screwed right the way across so that my forearm is supported, and all I need to think about is shoulder. So first exercise is reaching forwards, to just thinking about moving in the horizontal plane straight forwards. Trying to keep shoulders as relaxed as possible. Make sure you're in a nice supported position. Reach forwards. Okay. Next exercise idea is really thinking about taking that arm away from the body, so creating some space under the armpit. Again, shoulders nice and relaxed, and just take it to the point that you can get to comfortably. Number of repetitions is going to be down to you and your fatigue and how much power you've got. Might be 5 to start with for each exercise, moving on to 10 and building up from there. Third exercise is going to be reaching across my body towards my opposite arm. So this is trying to start thinking about washing that arm, going under the armpit and reaching in that direction. So you can then put those 3 exercises together in a circuit and go around them a few times. So we're going back to the start, which is reaching forward in a horizontal direction. Then we've got the one where we're going to reach out to the side, literally just taking arm away from the body. And then number 3, reaching across to the opposite armpit. Okay. And then if I want to start bringing in the forearm and elbow, I'm going to loosen that stopper. So I've now got freedom of movement at my forearm. So now an exercise idea would be literally just starting to bend the elbow. So taking the arm up off the table, and this is starting working towards hand to mouth. Second exercise idea, now when I reach forward in a horizontal plane, really thinking about stretching my elbow forwards and getting that elbow straight. As well as a horizontal plane, I could go diagonally. So I could go to about 10 o'clock on a clock. You could then go to 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and go back again. And then you could mix that up. To assist the hand sliding on the table, and also to keep your nice table well polished, Like for mine, I've got a duster here. So some of you, if that exercise is hard, this will actually help your arm and your hand slide on the table to do the same exercises. So if you need a bit more assistance and the movement is quite difficult, don't forget you could adjust the tension using that black turning handle. So the higher you turn it up, the more assistance and the more lift your arm is going to get. Okay. Hopefully that's a starting point for you with the low-level exercises for shoulder and elbow. We're going to have a part 2 where we're going to look more and focus around the hand and looking at some everyday tasks and how you can incorporate the mini-mas. So that will be in part 2. Thank you.